Hello everyone, this is my 3D printed smoke grenade. One of my subscribers sent me the files, for which I'm very grateful. A reliable pull ring ignition system is exactly what I've been missing for so long. Printing one grenade cost me about $3. It could be even cheaper if you don't print the body. Obviously, the most valuable part is the ignition system. You can use any body you like. For example, this variant is also fully functional. Here's the ignition system. It works with a toy cap, like this. The cap itself can't directly light the fuse, but it can ignite a small amount of black powder, and the black powder then lights the fuse. Unfortunately, the cap-based system isn't 100% reliable, but it's perfect for smoke grenades. I've already tested it and I'm satisfied. The author is currently developing a more reliable system that uses gun primers. Assembly is very simple. Everything is secured with super glue or hot glue. Except for the 3D printed parts, you will also need a spring, a pull pin, and a bolt with a nut. I bought the spring and pull pin on AliExpress. The spring needs to be bent in a specific way. Unfortunately, the 3D printing files aren't free, they cost $10. But it's worth it, as after that you can print these grenades endlessly for pennies. I'll leave a link to the Telegram group where you can message the author and get these files along with assembly instructions. Here is an assembled dummy grenade. This is how it works. Now I'll perform a test with a real smoke mixture. For the tests, I used my favorite smoke mixture made from ammonium nitrate, sawdust, and engine oil. I made a lot of it last year. It's not very effective, but it's super cheap, and I won't mind if something goes wrong. I'll do the second test with a colored smoke mixture, also based on ammonium nitrate. If you're new to the channel, check out the corresponding video on how to make colored smoke using only ammonium nitrate as the oxidizer, without using chlorate. First test, ammonium nitrate, sawdust, engine oil mixture. The ignition system worked flawlessly. It smokes quite well, better than I expected, although I'd say it's not very useful for concealment, at least with this amount of smoke mixture. Now for the colored smoke test. Obviously, the colored smoke mixture with ammonium nitrate is less effective than comparable mixtures with potassium chlorate, but it's one of the few ways to make colored smoke without potassium chlorate. I've slightly edited the video. In the original, this smoke bomb burned for about 2 minutes, so the ignition system is fully functional. Join the Telegram channel to get the printing files and support my channel on Buy Me a Coffee if you like this kind of content. In the next video, I'll show you how to make a more reliable time delay fuse for this grenade using so-called gasless mixture. That's all for today. Goodbye.